Good evening, everyone, or I should say good morning, very early good morning, crafters. It's Julie at Crafts So Cute, and welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to show you a sneak preview of the demo that I'm working on. It is a beanie that I just watched a tutorial on at RepeatcrafterMe. She went super fast. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to catch it, but if you want to hop over to her channel, she made this beanie. I chose the colors of the harvest colors that I wanted for this beanie. For the beginners, I don't think you're going to be able to latch onto it very quickly because she moves super fast, like lightning speed. I understood it just because of the fact that I've learned the stitches. Now for the beginners, like I can't emphasize enough, is that you guys learn these stitches, and by now you should, get the hang of it. You should have gotten the hang of it. I've used double crochets, single crochets, double crochets, chains for the vine, puff stitches, which is the double crochet together, which is the DCTOG, and it's the double crochet all together puff stitches, and then single crochet, double crochet, and then of course the ridges. Now on her tutorial, I guess she was new at it too, because she did not finish the ridges. Now I've showed you how to do these ridges, but what you don't know is how to go back and forth to connect. She stopped like at the first or second one because she couldn't remember how to attach it to the chain here, and I know how to do it. I knew how to do it because if you've noticed in my videos, I showed you in one of the videos a amigurumi sea turtle that I showed you, and I showed you seashells. That seashell technique uses this technique. Okay, the back loops only, but shows you how to attach it, for each row. Okay, so I wanted to show you this that I'm working on as a project for the next project. So going from decorative, I'm showing you how to make a beanie. This is a size for like an infant size 2, which probably would put that infant around maybe anywhere from 3 to 6 months old. So this beanie that I'm making is for my husband. He's a supervisor at a plant, and his boss, the plant manager, just had their first baby. So I am making them their son as a gift to them, as this little beanie here. Okay, isn't that adorable? Let me zoom in. Isn't that just adorable? Now when I'm done with these ridges, I'm going to come back here, and the way she added the stems to the pumpkin was just way too difficult. There's a simplified way of attaching it, and I'm going to show you how to do it. The little stems, it's like, wow, that was just way too difficult and a waste of a lot of yarn. Now this one, if you go to her channel, she uses one thread, but she uses a Red Heart Super something, which is a worsted weight yarn, but it's thicker than this. So what I had to do here was to combine I combined 2 yarns together, and it's definitely thicker, which is, it's a little heavier. It's like Um, if you've ever owned a pea coat, you know, a coat, they call it a pea coat, which is like a sailor's jacket for women's kind of design factor. It's thick, but not too thick for a baby's head. But I figured this is great because, you know, the cold weather's coming in. So if they're gonna take them out during the October or the November season, this beanie will be cozy and keep his little head warm. And this is a low fill. I think it didn't say worsted weight, so it just says low fill, but it's super soft. I think it's softer than the worsted weight. It's the Honeybee from Hobby Lobby. I love their yarn. So that's what I'm using for this beanie. Okay, and I'm going to remind you, I'm probably now a month and 3 weeks old of crocheting. And if you guys practice the techniques that I'm showing you, take your time and practice, then you're going to be able to create something like this. I'm only a month and three weeks old and crocheting. Okay, my only thing here is what I should have caught myself when I did the color change, because you have to do color changes. And I haven't shown you that, but this is why I'm going to do a process video / tutorial on this, so you can learn how to do the color changes. This right here I should have kept an eye on when I did the color change right here, but that's the only one mistake. But what I'm going to do is I am going to disguise this with, because this is where the seam is, you can't really tell there's a seam there, but that's where my seam is, the starts and ends here along this. And I'm just going to put a little tag here. I'm going to order some leather tags that it says handmade, or I might take a piece of fabric and use my archival inks and my little stamps, letter stamps that come in these letter blocks, and just say handmade by Julie, and just sew it on right here. So that will disguise that tiny mistake. But I just wanted to come in and jump in and show you that this is almost the last portion of the beanie. This little ridge right here will be the one that wraps around his little head, giving him room to grow into it. I mean, he may be still too small for this, but at least maybe by November he'll be able to wear it. Now, I could have probably shortened that, you know, for his little head, but I thought, no, you know, I'm going to make it so he can grow into it, because it's a warm beanie. And then anyway, I just wanted to show you, or you know, tack on that little acorn in the back of you know, signifying that's like the back of the beanie, I guess. I don't know. Or put the little acorn on top. I don't know. I don't know yet, you guys, but I just wanted to show you this. So get excited, okay? Because once I'm done with this, I will come in and give you a short peek at this, do a short, and show you the finished end of it, okay? All right then, you guys, I will talk to you guys later. Isn't that just so cute? So cute, right? Warm and cozy. My hand's inside of it. It's already warming up my hands. Okay, guys, this is the beanie, and we'll be making this very soon. Bye now.